I got some My Little Pony gummies and a Shih Tzu. I think it's the best time in the world. So my dog decided she was gonna try and go through the sleeve of a sweatshirt. Yeah, you too. Oh, no, where are you going? Oh, she kind of looks like a duck right now. Mia, look at the camera. So now I'm just stuck with My Little Ponies. That's pretty good too. Oh! Girl, what are you doing? Girl, your nipples is attacking me. Oh, God! Okay, Nicole, take her out. Oh, my God! Oh, my God! She got her head through! This is my dog, Mia. And we love each other. Even though she's spoiled rotten. Oh. Oh. Mia, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look. She won't look at the camera. We're not gonna be. No! What are you doing? You're gonna hang her! We're not gonna be able to get you out now! This is the ugliest dog in the world. Yeah. Look at the camera. Oh. Look at the camera. Yeah, you're so cute. You're so cute, Mia. I love you. That's all I have to say today. Goodbye.